Alright, how's it going, guys? I'm gonna do a complete brand new challenge, doing 500 quid start and basically trying up to 15, maybe 30 grand, but I doubt it'll go that high, but just keep them going basically. Just gone and bought this Peugeot 307cc with the 180 version, 2 litre. Basically only paid, it was up for 450 and I brought it right down to basically, well, I offered 300 and they just said no, just take it, 280 quid. So I got 280 quid with what was it, a year's MOT, and it's done, oh, what's the blooming mileage? Takes 10 years. I think it's like 100 and, oh there you go, 101,000 miles. 101,000 miles, full service history. Last cam out was at 76,000, so won't need doing for a while. It's got MOT till next year. I think it's probably like March, April maybe. Yeah, so paid basically bargain really, 270 quid. It's quite straight. Inside is a bit grim, which I'll show you around it in a minute. Also, it's got very loud exhaust, and that's basically why I got it cheaper. It needs, from the cat, the flex is gone, so it's like proper loud. But I've already ordered that new flex, and I should fit that soon. So basically the whole idea is of this is I'm going to show you from start to finish. Obviously bought the car, I'm going to repair it, do everything that needs doing, valet it, clean all the inside, all the outside, just so it looks like a nice selling condition car, and then I'll sell it and then we'll go on to the next one. And obviously if I sell this for say like £900, then I've got £500 in the pot already. Bought this, that was obviously 280, so that leaves me with 220 quid to repair it. Flip it for about 9 hopefully, so that's an extra what, 400 quid. So then the next car will be £900, and then so on and so on. Obviously a few people have tried this already. There's one obviously that kind of, I don't think it was fair. He's obviously completed up to 15 grand, but it doesn't help that he's using trade cars. Well, I'm not a proper car, I sell cars, but I can't get trade cars. So I'd either go on Facebook, Gumtree, or even car auction. And you know, I can't get hold of all these trade cars, which I think was a bit unfair. It should have been done properly, like a normal person that can just go and get a car, fix it up and sell it, and just show you the full breakdown of everything. And also in my videos I'll be showing you how to repair it as well. A lot of ones don't show you that, they just show you that they buy the car, clean it all up, flog it. Well, with my videos I'm going to show you the full repair, the lot, everything. So obviously if you guys can hopefully learn from it. I'm not very good on camera. I'm slowly getting there. I haven't got much confidence at all. But obviously after a while, fingers crossed, the channel will get bigger and bigger and better. And the cars are not going to be well over the top. I'm not going to be buying like real flash cars, because that's not really what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to show you like a normal person with a bit of knowledge can easily flip cars and try and aim for a certain car they want. Like, I want to try and do this and try and basically build up a good amount of money to start a proper car business. So that's my plan. So anyway, enough of that waffling, and we will show you, well, I'll show you around the car now. Right, this is the car. all the last MOT, all it failed on, well, it actually, sorry, it didn't even fail on it. It was a advisory. Was these. We'll see, bit of 1200 or 1500 wet and dry, and some polish on that one as well. That'd be like new, so we're doing that. It's a nice straight car, to be honest. There's no dinks, no dents. Obviously, little scuff there, which we just touch up. The tyres are pretty much like new. The alloys are in actually really good condition. It's got the old folding mirrors because it's the 180 version. Take that awful sticker off. Brand new tyre on the back. Common on these, every single 307, these are missing, and they want 200 quid each just on eBay. So that ain't ever gonna happen. So I just have to sell it like it. Roof all works perfect. There you go, that 307. Yeah, it's on both sides, which is a bit annoying. This side, nice tyres and everything else. It's a very clean car. The only little problem you can see is obviously this little scuff here, which hopefully it should polish out because it doesn't look really deep. Fingers crossed. Might even spray that if I can get the right colour. That alloy looks proper curved, so that'll be touched up. It's got good tyres. Oh, the interior. Someone smoked in it. It's bloody disgusting. There you go. Needs a good old clean. What is really annoying about these Peugeots though, obviously where this is the 180 version, it's got all the leather dash to make it look all fancy. The dash is all buggered. Common thing on these. So what I'm going to do is I think I'm going to somehow put a knife along there and then put something in the middle and try and like put a piece of nice felt or a bit of fabric on it. Just so it looks a hell of a lot tidier. But it's proper common thing on these. Locking wheel nuts in there. Got 5-disc CD changer. It's got all aircon and everything, but I'm not sure if it works. Interior is actually really good, to be honest. It's not even, it's a little bit worn there, but it's nothing. Bit of leather cleaner on it. Boot. As you can see, smoking, so that one needs cleaning. Well, that's not good. Well, I have to sort out that some sort of boots filled out of water. Probably for, oh, it's one of these. It will come loose. That's alright, I'll sort that out. It's a great little car. Alright, this is the problem. Listen how loud this is. Perfect, look at that. Great summer car, under £1,000. Can't really go wrong, can you? Yeah, check out that. Cheap car, under £1,000. What can you say about that?